Good evening, Thinkorswimmers, and welcome to our weekend edition of the Thinkorswim Market Wrap-Up. I'm Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with Thinkorswim. This is our weekend show for the weekend of April 26th and 27th, 2008. All right, we got to start right away with the numbers. We talked about these numbers for ad nauseum, so to speak. 1394 even on the S&P futures, along with 20 on the VIX. We closed above those on Friday. We closed at 1397 even on the E-mini S&P future. We closed below 20 on the VIX at a level of 1959. Very, very key numbers for both. We said that if we broke through these numbers, we could close above these numbers, that perhaps the bullishness could begin. I must say, it did happen. It barely happened. It was a thinly traded Friday afternoon. I'm not convinced. That's as simple as I can put it. I'm truly not convinced. I think that with the Fed coming out this week, with all the news that's going to come out this week, this does not exactly bode well for what happened on Friday in terms of me getting a lot of confidence. Let's talk about what happened Friday first, then we'll talk about what's going to happen going forward. First of all, on Friday, we did see the Dow Jones Industrial Average up $42.91. We had 18 advancers, 12 decliners on the Dow for the day. Our big advancer on the day was AXP, American Express, and our big loser on the day, Microsoft, down 6%. They took a whacking to that one after its earnings. All right, let's talk more importantly about what's coming forward. Who cares what happened? Let's talk about what's going to happen. The entire first part of the week is all about Wednesday afternoon, the Fed. The meeting starts on Tuesday. This is a two-day meeting. Okay, the Fed meets every 6 weeks, with every other meeting being a two-day meeting, just so everyone knows that. So the Fed announcement is actually going to happen Wednesday, usually right around 2:15 Eastern Time. All right, so all eyes will be on that. That's going to set the tone for the first part of the week. You know, it's like that old song, Nothing Else Matters. In this case, nothing else does matter. That is really the news that everyone's going to focus on for the first half of the week. That all being said, because we did close above these key levels, it's crucial to keep in mind what's going to happen Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I think we need to close above these levels even after the Fed comes out with their announcements for me to say, okay, this is bullish. This is really, we're going to go forward and really take off. And the reason I'm just so hesitant is, again, Friday afternoon it was very thin trading. I do believe that the volatility is going to get bid right back up going into the Fed. It seems to be generally accepted they are going to cut a quarter point, but we need to say the statement they have going forward and to what their actions are going to be. All right, so that's the key thing to look for. Really, it sets the tone for the week. Hope you all had a great weekend. I'm, as always, good health, good trading. I'm Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with Thinkorswim. All right, everyone, we'll see you tomorrow. We'll see you on Monday after the close. Thank you very much. Goodbye.